This is my community garden. This is where I come. Outside of gardening in my backyard, it's a church. And I've been here for at least 6 years. And then you just walk in and hear all the plots with everybody's stuff. We have some stuff over there welcoming you in. Other plots that are being taken, starting to fill. But me, I'm just starting. I know a lot of you might live in apartments or somewhere, but you should find a community garden where you can plant some stuff. This is mine. This is my plot right here. I'm in the process of getting ready to clean some of it out. And yeah, and it's at a church. And if you don't have somewhere to garden in your apartment or even your home, find a community garden. So we're gonna pull all the tall ones out. Pull all the tall ones. All of the tall ones. Yep, we're just gonna clear this whole thing out. Very easy to do. Hope you can see that. Get inside there. Yeah, we're just gonna pull them all out. So we're gonna clean out this whole bed. We're gonna amend the soil. These are some of the other community plots, but this one is mine. Like I said, we're gonna clean it out and get some vegetables in there pretty soon. Gotta pull out a lot. And then we're making a little pile here. And we're just pulling everything out. That plot there used to be my old plot where the papaya tree is, but this is my new one. So we're just cleaning all of this out, making a little pile.